In busy healthcare environments where patient care is constant and trolley traffic is high, walls often bear the brunt of daily operations. Over time, this leads to unsightly damage, costly repairs, and potential hygiene risks. That's where wall protection panelling and ellipse protection rails come in. Designed for high impact areas, our Fulmouth wall protection panelling acts as a durable shield, preventing dents, scratches and abrasions caused by frequent trolley movement. It not only preserves the integrity of the building, but also maintains a clean professional appearance that reflects the quality of care provided. Ellipse protection rails add an extra layer of defence. Its curved profile is engineered to absorb and deflect impact, reducing damage from collisions while offering a sleek, modern aesthetic. These rails can also serve as a guide for trolleys, helping staff navigate corridors more safely and efficiently. Together, these solutions reduce maintenance costs, improve infection control by eliminating hard-to-clean damaged surfaces, and create a safer, more resilient environment for patients, staff and visitors.